In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Roblox support request to ask for your audio privileges to be restored. If you need to contact Roblox about audio access, the process is fairly simple, and the most important thing is to be clear, accurate, and professional in what you submit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that in a way that's easy to follow. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Roblox support web interface. Make sure you are using the official support page and not a third-party website, since this helps protect your account and ensures your request is sent to the right place. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to look over the form so you know what information is being requested. Next, find the field where you are asked for your Roblox account username and enter your unique username carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, because support teams rely on this information to identify the correct account. If the username is entered incorrectly, it could slow down the review process or cause confusion. After that, select the device platform where you actively play Roblox. This usually means choosing the option that best matches the device you use most often, such as PC, mobile, tablet, console, or another available platform listed in the form. Picking the correct platform gives support a better understanding of your account activity and helps them review your case more efficiently. Then move to the message section and explain your request to have your audio privileges restored. Keep your message brief, respectful, and easy to understand. Focus on stating your case clearly without making it too long. For example, you want to explain that you are requesting a review of your audio privileges and that you would appreciate assistance restoring them. A concise message is often more effective because it makes it easier for the support team to quickly understand what you need. As an extra tip, avoid including unnecessary personal details or anything sensitive in your message. Stick to the core issue and keep the tone calm and professional. That can help create a stronger support request overall. Once you've filled everything out, review the information one more time to make sure it is accurate and complete. A careful final check can help prevent delays and improve the chances that your request is processed smoothly. That's it. You've now completed the support request setup for asking Roblox to